Hello, I'm Grace. A decisive indicator, capable of gauging the trajectory of South Korea's export economy, has been released, drawing intense market attention. According to reports, the nation's trade balance achieved a massive surplus of $30.3 billion in July. This achievement is noteworthy because it represents more than just a short-term rebound, as it marks the second consecutive month of surpassing the significant $30 billion threshold. The continuous expansion of the surplus suggests that the balance between exports and imports has stabilized in a highly positive direction. Maintaining this large-scale surplus through this month, following last month, serves as evidence that Korea's export competitiveness remains robust. These figures can be viewed as substantive data, demonstrating that the fundamental strength of the economy has been considerably reinforced compared to the past. Compared to previous trade indicators that were subject to high volatility, it is unusual to see such high levels of surplus occurring consecutively. The continuity of these large surpluses is likely to lead to improved performance for domestic companies, potentially creating a virtuous cycle throughout the overall economy. From a foreign exchange market perspective, the massive inflow of US dollars contributes to stabilizing the exchange rate and plays a role in enhancing international creditworthiness. The diversification of export items and shifts in global demand appear to be the key contexts that determine the scale of this surplus. Beyond mere numerical achievements, the core takeaway is that the economy has proven its solid defensive capabilities amidst external economic uncertainties. However, whether this high performance is a temporary phenomenon or a structural change must be verified through future data. The scale of the surplus remains a variable that could fluctuate at any time, depending on changes in global supply chains or the economic trends of major trading partners. Therefore, rather than becoming complacent with current achievements, this is a critical time for strategic responses to sustain export momentum. In conclusion, the record surplus in July is expected to serve as a significant turning point that breathes powerful vitality into the Korean economy. I'm Grace, thanks for watching.